Day off. It's hot and we're bored and don't want to do too much, so we are going to Blizzard Beach! Well, we're here at Blizzard Beach.
Cute.
And now we're trying to find the lockers. Found the restrooms.
We just found the lockers too.
It says rental lockers. Got a key. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. First time ever. Oh, which way are we going? We're going this way. Bumping into each other. So we're on the, what is this place called?
What's this place?
What's this called? Creek?
Yeah, the creek.
The creek. Is this a Christmas song? I'm so confused. We're listening to Jingle Bells right now.
It's still my crickets.
Yep, it's like, what's it called? It's tough to be a bug. It's like it's tough to be a bug. Stephanie likes riding it the way she wants to ride it. I got you. I got you, babe. I don't like going backwards. Turning around. Ugh. Easier said than done. Alright, there we go. Now I can see where I'm going. We've reached the bottom of Expedition Everest. This is what it looks like under Expedition Everest, this little cave here. And we have a leak.
Expedition Everest is leaking.
Everest leaks. This is actually really cool. Let me get wet. Let me get wet. It's really cool. Why are you pushing me to the water?
I'm not.
Why are you doing Oh my gosh, that water is really cold. I want the warm sun again. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself, Stephanie, because I'm cold right now.
Hold on, let me direct you into this.
Get my feet wet.
No, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, and now.
Now this one's gonna get me. No. This is like the coolest transportation system that Disney has, next to the monorail.
You don't feel like walking?
Can we get off here? That's what I was literally just wondering. I'm like, when are we gonna get off? I don't know.
Wherever you want to get off.
Okay. I'm gonna stretch it. Oh, I like the song. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny. This is the best way to use your day off ever. This is the ice skater house. And once again, I'm
Chili peppers, ice plant.
nope. He's got a little garden. Shoot. Oh, that was not big of a sneeze. Is it in different sections? Sections. Please don't sneeze, Gator. Keep swimming. Yay, we bypassed that. Swim faster! No! Dude, take some allergy medicine, seriously.
The back end now.
We're gonna get the back end or something, I don't know. That kid's place actually looks like fun. Can we do that? Can you pass as a kid?
Can I?
Can you please pass as a kid? Are we there yet?
Should have taken the ski lift.
Should have
I didn't know
taken-
how to get through it.
I didn't even think that was an option. Clearly it was. Keep swimming. There goes Stephanie. Look at those tubes. Dun, 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 dun. Stephanie floating away very slowly. The ground's not as rough right here. That or my feet are getting used to it. One or the other. Do we sit? Do we wait for it to sit? Do we sit now? Do we sit now?
I'm waiting for it to come to me.
I almost got my leg stuck.
This did make me kind of nervous without the lap bar.
Whoa! Ow! Right on my leg.
Right on the knees.
We're going up. Up, up. Don't lose your shoes.
Up in the lead.